I've been engaged in studying some of the writings, and in the summer we recently finished the Dawn Breakers, and we are now studying God Passes By. And studying these writings and learning about the history of our faith has inspired me to start to write some poetry, so I would like to share one. The one who ariseth has heralded the dawn of the glorious Son of Baha, shining forth a light from the world beyond. A single spark ignited a roaring inferno that swept over a land enveloped in the dark, shining forth a light from the world beyond. A call arose, a call from the world on high, and souls asleep on the couch of heedlessness stirred, shining forth a light from the world beyond. Casting away the fetters of worldly desire, and hastening to quaff from the cup of martyrdom, shining forth a light from the world beyond. And in each heart there was kindled the burning fire of love, shining forth a light from the world beyond. Though imprisoned, tortured, and chained, the flame remained unquenched, shining forth a light from the world beyond. Not dying, not failing, not obliterated into dust, the darkness began to lift, shining forth a light from the world beyond. Thank you.